Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, sasolve natin tong reflected XSS into a template literal with angle brackets, single quotes, double quotes, backslash, and backticks Unicode-escaped. Okay? So this lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search blog functionality. The reflection occurs inside a template string with angle bracket single and double quotes HTML coded and backticks escape. To solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that calls the alert function inside the template string. So tingnan natin, load natin yung lab. Investigate natin tong functionality na to, no? So lagay tayo 1, 2, 3, 4. Lagay tayo angle brackets, lagay tayo single quotes, double quotes, and backslash and backticks. No? So search tayo. And investigate natin kung ano nangyari sa page source. So kung makikita nyo rito, nandito tayo sa loob ng script. And ito yung ating message, no? So 0 results on blah blah blah. And then ito yung ating na Unicode na tags, no? So ang pwede natin gawin dito is gumamit tayo ng $sign, no? So balik tayo, gawa tayo $sign. Then lagyan natin ng alert dito. Okay? So search tayo. And ayan, na-trigger na yung ating alert. Okay? So kung titignan natin sa page source kung ano nangyari dito, na-trigger yung ating alert kasi nasa loob siya ng $curly braces. Okay? So I hope na-gets nyo itong video ito and see you in the next video.